In this video, I'm going to show you all how to upload photos on YouTube. The first thing you need is your community tab, but it's only available to YouTube channel that have 500 subscribers and above. And if you are not up to 500 subscribers and above, you need to get at least 500 subscriber plus and above before you can upload photos on your YouTube channel. But if you already have the 500 subscribers already, the first thing you need to do is to go straight to your community tab. As you can see right now on the screen, I've uploaded several photos on my YouTube channel. This channel have over 500 subscribers. So what we are going to do now, we are going to click on this plus icon you are seeing right now on the screen. We are going to click on it, and we are going to click on create a post. And you see these two options down below the screen. We are going to click on the one at the right hand side of the screen, which stands for image. Now we are going to select an image. We are going to select an image. This image is one that will fit the community tab. This is one that is actually allowed most of the time on the community tab. And we are going to click on post. And you can actually add something like a message or a caption to the image. Have a nice day. If you find this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to subscribe to get notified anytime we upload a new video like this.